Okay, peeps, we are going to do a spelling crossword puzzle. So our words this week are they're vowel plus R sound words, and there's a lot of different ways to make the vowel plus R sound word. So we have a lot of different varieties of spelling. We have AR, so we could make a quick little list. We have AR. We also have ER or EIR. And then we also have EAR. And we also have EER. And then there's AI. And then there's also ARE, right? And there's actually quite a few of the ARE, or sometimes it looks like there's one of them that has a CE on the end. But these are the different ways they're called vowel controlled R sounds. Sometimes they're called schwa sounds. So you're going to go ahead and write your name at the top. And we're going to look at our words, just kind of review them quickly so that we know what we're going to put on the crossword puzzle. So we have spark, prepare, cheer, tear. This can also be tear and tear. Scarf, scare, repair, earring. That one has double R, right? Earring has two R's. Scarce, weird, sharp, rear, spare, gear, hairy, compare, alarm, harsh, upstairs, square. And then we have some challenge words. We have weary, startle, appear, barnacle, awareness. They're going to ask us to write a little quick story with 4 challenge words, and we'll do it down here at the bottom. Okay? So we're starting out with one across, which is right up here. Across always goes horizontally. And we have unkind. So let's see, I'm checking my words right here. And I'm saying unkind is could be harsh. HARSH. I think it is harsh, but I want to just make sure. So I'm going to check 2 down. Not enough. Not enough is scarce. So SCARCE. And that seems like harsh will fit in nicely. HARSH. So I'm going to cross off both of those. And I'm going to cross off those. Okay? Now I have 3 across, a piece of cloth worn around the neck or head. That's a scarf. So we're going to do SCARF. And then we have 5 across horizontally is going to have an E in it. So let's do that one. To make something ready. That usually means prepare. Prepare. So I'm going to go with prepare. PREPARE. Looks good. All right. Now I can do 4 down because I know that it has a P as the second letter. A flash of light. Well, it could be spark. Cheer, tear, tear. Scare, repair, earring, weird, sharp, rear, spare, gear, hairy, compare, alarm. I think that is good. I think spark is good. Let's see. Now I know that 6 across is starting with an R, so I'm going to do to mend. To mend is to repair, right? REPAIR. And now I know that 7 down starts with an A, so I'm going to do 7 down. A warning signal is going to be an alarm. Okay. Now I can do 9 across. Back. Cheer, tear, tear, scare, earring, weird, sharp, rear, Rear might be the back of something. Spare, gear, hairy, compare. Spare, square. Yeah, I think it's rear. R-E-A-R. I always like to double check to make sure, because I'm working with pen. All right. Now I know that 10 across is going to have an M. So, third letter, to discover differences and similarities, that's compare. Number 16, C-O-M-P-A-R-E. Awesome. And now I know that 8 down is going to end with an E. Frighten is definitely scare, which is number 6. Okay. Now, we have watched a movie about taking a submarine trip deep in the ocean. Write a story about it. Use the 4 challenge words. Write on a separate piece of paper. No way, we're not wasting paper. We're just going to write a really quick story. It's going to have a beginning, a middle, and an end. So we're going to use barnacle because that's definitely a submarine kind of word. We can use startle. Appear, definitely. Awareness. Okay, here we go. Last week, I voyaged in the ocean aboard a submarine. I was startled. We're going to put an ED on it. Startled. When an octopus appeared I also saw many barnacles attached to ships. Which floated above us. And I always underline the words as I use them. Last week I voyaged in the ocean aboard a submarine. I was startled when an octopus appeared. I also saw many barnacles attached to the ships which floated above us. Awareness. I have a new, I'm just going to turn my paper, a new awareness of ocean creatures as a result of my trip. Period. Okay. And awareness was our other word. All right. There we go. Mission accomplished. I hope that this helped you learn how to do a crossword puzzle. You can start wherever you want in a crossword puzzle, and generally it's a good idea to use letters of words that have already been discovered to help you find new words, right? So you kind of alternate between across and down. All right. Thanks for joining me, and I hope that you learned a little bit more about vowel-controlled R sounds, and I will see you later.